In yet another attack on advertisement, after Fab India's Jashay Rivas, BJP MP Anant Kumar Hegde has objected the recent advertisement of tyre company Seat Limited, where actor Amir Khan is seen advising people not to burst crackers on the street. He has asked the company to also address the problem blocking roads in the name of namaz and noise emitted from mosque during azan. In a letter to the company's MD and CEO Anant Vardhan Goenka, he requested him to take cognizance of the recent advertisement creating an unrest amongst Hindu and expressed hope in the future organization will respect the Hindu sentiment. In the letter, he said, "Your company's recent advertisement in which Amir Khan advising people not to fire crackers on the street is giving a very good message. Your concern to public issues needs applause. In this regard, I request you to address one more problem faced by people on road, that is blocking roads in name of namaz on Friday and other important festive day by Muslims." He also said it is very common seen in many Indian cities where Muslims block busy roads and perform namaz. And at that time ambulance and firefighter vehicles are also stuck in the traffic causing grave losses. Requesting AV Goenka to highlight the issue of noise pollution in the company's ad, the MP said every day loud noise is emitted from mics arranged on the top of mosques in our country when azan is given. He added that sound is beyond the permissible limit. On Fridays, it is prolonged for some more time. It is causing great inconvenience to people suffering from different ailments and taking rest, people working in different establishments, and teachers teaching in classroom. Actually, this list of sufferers is very long and only a few are mentioned here. He also added, as you are very keen and sensitive towards the problem faced by the general public and you also belong to the Hindu community, I am sure you can feel the discrimination done to Hindus since century. He further said, adding nowadays a group of anti-Hindu actors always hurt the Hindu sentiments, whereas they never try to expose the wrongdoings of their community. Therefore, I kindly request you to take cognizance of this particular incident where your company's advertisement has created an unrest amongst the Hindu. Recently, Fab India had to take down their advertisement where they introduced their Diwali collection under the Urdu title Jashay Rivas. BJP leader Tejasvi Surya argued the collection was an attempt of a-Brahmanization of Hindu festival and that the models in the advertisement were depicted without traditional Hindu clothes. Several social media users also called for boycotting Fab India. In the last few years, several other brands including Zomato, Unilever, Manyavar and Tanishq have faced the similar backlash.